Hi, Dan here with Oklahoma Joe's. In this video, I wanted to address a question that we've kind of seen out there since launching the Bronco drum smoker. And that question is, why a drum smoker? Why should I add this to my collection of smokers in my backyard? So I just wanted to touch on some of the major benefits that you're going to get with this type of smoker, specifically the Bronco. So first and foremost, you're going to get precision control with this Bronco drum smoker. So between the air intake channel and the exhaust channel and our sealed lid, you really get a precise control over temperature change. And you'll see when you use this smoker, really a very minimal adjustment of these dampers will give you a very precise temperature change, whether you're trying to bring the temperature down and you're clamping the air off a bit, you actually lower the temperature, or you open those up, you can really see some minute changes in response to those damper changes. The second great benefit you're going to get with the Bronco is incredible versatility. The first piece of that is our nice robust grate that comes with it. It's 18 inches, it's 284 square inches of cooking space. So you're going to be able to do your pork shoulders, your briskets and things like that on the grate. So the second piece of that versatility is going to be our meat hanging system. So this includes 3 stainless steel meat hangers and 9 stainless steel meat hooks. So this is going to allow you to hang up to 9 racks of ribs, which is an incredible capacity for the footprint that you get with this Bronco. You can also hang other cuts of meat, so you can hang your briskets and pork shoulders from these hangers if you choose to cook in that way. So the third piece of that versatility is going to come from the fact that the Bronco can also convert into a charcoal grill. So that can really facilitate your high heat searing and things like that. However you're trying to cook, whatever you're trying to make, the Bronco can really kind of shift around to suit your needs. So it's really customizable and it can really do whatever you need it to do. And the third kind of aspect of benefit from the Bronco is really that high quality that you're going to get with the Oklahoma Joe product that you're not going to get elsewhere. That's 2.5 millimeter construction throughout, high temp paint, and the fact that this thing is coming in at 140 pounds, you know it's a beefy build. So those are kind of the quick major benefits at a glance of what you can get with this type of smoker and why it's beneficial for you to add it to your smoker collection and why it really deserves that spot in your yard. If you want more information about it, we'll also have a video where I go into a much more detailed breakdown and go through all of the components and material types so you can really get a deeper look at the functions and features of this smoker. For more information, please visit oklahomajoes.com. If you like this video, please subscribe, as we'll be coming out with more videos on the Bronco and other Oklahoma Joe products. Leave any questions or comments below, and thanks for watching.